The HyperDrill-BSR is more than just a tool. It is a complete machining platform for boiler and thermal exchange maintenance, portable, compact, and engineered for professional use. From stub drilling through strength weld removal to drum hole resizing, we begin with stub drilling and wall reduction. The machine is mounted directly into the drum using its exceptionally solid torque-resistant clamping shafts. Installation takes only a few minutes and requires no special preparation. Once locked in place, the HyperDrill-BSR remains stable, resisting vibration, eliminating chatter, and ensuring smooth tool movement. Removing boiler stubs has always been a demanding task, but with the HyperDrill-BSR, the process becomes faster, cleaner, and safer. Thanks to its compact and portable design, the HyperDrill-BSR can be used in virtually any boiler or heat exchanger. Operators can choose between pneumatic, electric, or hydraulic drive, depending on available utilities and project requirements. Here we demonstrate both the pneumatic-driven system, providing maximum power and torque, but also the electric-driven version, which offers convenience in plants where hydraulic or pneumatic power is limited. This flexibility ensures that every plant can benefit from the same high-quality machining, regardless of local conditions. Next, let us look at weld removal. Strength welds, especially those that have been in service for years, are among the toughest obstacles in boiler maintenance. Traditional methods often leave irregular surfaces, create stress points, or require extensive manual grinding. With HyperDrill-BSR, the process is completely different. The machine securely locks into the drum, holding its position even under heavy load. The cutting tool engages the weld with consistent pressure, avoiding jerks or sudden movements. Instead of tearing or gouging the metal, it produces a smooth and uniform cut. This not only ensures that the weld is fully removed, but also protects the integrity of the drum itself. Finally, drum hole resizing. In many plants, drum holes suffer from damage, corrosion, or poorly executed repairs. Oversizing these holes with precision is critical to extending the service life of the boiler and ensuring safe operation. The HyperDrill-BSR makes this process straightforward. Its rigid clamping system prevents deflection, and the smooth feed of the tool guarantees even material removal. The result is a perfectly round, clean surface that is ready for new tubes or repair sleeves. Because the machine works without chatter or vibration, the finish quality is exceptionally high, reducing the need for additional rework. The HyperDrill-BSR. Precision, stability, and performance for the most demanding boiler maintenance tasks.